want to browse the internet without leaving any trace? In this video, I'll show you how to turn a simple USB drive into a powerful, bootable privacy machine using Tails OS in just a few easy steps. So grab your USB drive, sit back, and let's get started securing your digital life right now. So to turn your USB drive into a powerful bootable privacy machine using Tails, you have to watch this video to the end because I'm going to demonstrate to you how to use it after the process, okay? We are going to boot from the USB drive and then we demonstrate how to use the Tails. So to get started, we are going to download the Tails. I'll show you how to download the Tails. Then I'll show you how to download the Rufus for the process. So to download the Tails, we are going to click on the browser. You can use any browser of your choice, okay? And then we type this URL, https://tails.net, okay, .net. So you are going to click on install Tails, and then we click on download Tails only for USB stick, okay. So we are going to download the Tails 6.14.2, okay. It's 1.5 gigabytes of size, okay. So when you click on this download, is going to initiate the download for the Tails. So now let me show you how to download the Rufus as well. So I'll search for Rufus, and then I'll click on this one, Rufus with a bootable drive, and then I'll scroll down, and then here you can download the Rufus versions you want, okay. But for the purpose of this tutorial, I've already downloaded the standard version, the 64-bit. So I'm going straight to how to use it to install the Tails onto the USB drive. So let me close the browser, and then I'm going to open the Rufus, okay. Okay, so this is the Rufus. So now we are going to install the Tails onto the USB drive. I've already inserted my drive, which is 32 gigabytes. So to install the Tails onto the USB drive, we are going to select where we have the ISO image of the Tails, okay. So at the boot selection, I'll click on select, and then this is the Tails. So I'll click on the ISO image, and then I'll click on open. Okay, so we are going to leave the default, and then we click on start. So it's going to delete or clear every data you have on your USB drive. So you have to make sure you've backed up everything in your drive before you continue with the process, okay. So I'll click on OK, and then the process has started. Okay, so now we are done installing the Tails onto the USB drive, okay. So I'm going to demonstrate to you how to use it by booting from the USB drive. So please stick and stay, I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm going to boot from my USB drive, sorry, and then we demonstrate how it works, okay. So let me quickly boot from my USB drive. So I'll restart, and then I'm going to boot from the USB drive, okay. Okay, so let me click on the F9 key to boot from the USB drive. Okay, so I'm booting from my USB. Let's see what happens. Sorry, so it's booting the Tails, okay. So after it's booted, I'll show you how to use it. So it's preparing Tails for first use. So we are actually running from the USB, okay. So it's not going to affect your internal hard disk, okay, or the laptop's hard disk. So it's almost done booting. Okay, so this is the Tails. So we are going to click on Start Tails. Okay, so I'll click on that. Okay, so this is the Tails desktop. I hope it's clear for you to see. Okay, so this is the Tails desktop. So to use the Tails, you come to Applications. Okay, so these are all the applications. You can use the Tor browser to browse, okay, for your privacy. And then you can use the Tails document. You can use the Tails to do anything you want, okay? So when you come to the graphics, it has its own graphics that you can use on a USB drive, okay? You can use the Office applications as well from here. So let me open Word document from the Tails, okay? So in Tails, it's called Library Office Writer. So I'll click on that. And then here you can type anything you want. And then you can save it to the Tails, okay, without leaving any trace on your system. So let me click on the file and I go to Save As. Then I'll select Document, okay. So when I save to the document, let me save to the document. Let me name it Test. Okay, so let me save it and close it. So if I close this and I go to Document, let me click on that. And I'll go to Files. Then I go to Document. You see, this is the test we created. Okay, it's not on the machine. Okay, so you can use your Excel, you can use any applications you want to use on the Tails. You can use the Tor browser as well for your privacy. Okay, so everything you do is done in the Tails, okay, without going to the external drive or the laptop hard drive. Okay, so you can use the internet as well. Okay, you can use the Tor browser to browse your internet. So it's not going to leave any trace on your system. Everything is on the pen drive. Okay, so you can browse the internet as well. So you can do anything you want to do with the Tails operating system. Okay, so this is how to use the Tails. So if you are done using it and you want to shut it down, you click on this power icon here. Okay, and then you click on power off. So this brings us to the end of the video. Please, if you find value in this tutorial, kindly support the channel by clicking on the subscribe button, liking the video, and turning on the bell notification for more tech tips. I really appreciate your support. Thank you for watching, and bye-bye.